You know how everyone says the internet's too crowded now, and it's impossible to make money online unless you go viral? That's not true. You just need to be early to a small wave before it becomes a trend. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends and AI tools to spot viral topics before everyone else and turn them into digital content that earns you money without showing your face, without spending a cent, and without needing a following. Here's the secret. Every day, people rush to make videos, blog posts, and social media content about what's trending after it's already gone viral. But Google Trends gives you real-time data about what's starting to take off right now. You can use that to make faceless content before the wave hits, short videos, posts, or articles, and cash in on the early attention. Go to Google Trends, type in a niche that interests you, like home workouts, AI tools, digital planners, or cozy living. Click trending searches and filter by past 24 hours or past 7 days. You'll see rising topics with percentage increases next to them. Those are your gold mines. Let's say you notice that Pomodoro Technique Planner or AI Resume Builder is spiking. That's a signal that people are suddenly curious about it. Before everyone else floods YouTube or TikTok with content, you can create faceless videos explaining, reviewing, or demonstrating that topic. Now you might be thinking, how do I make videos without showing my face or even recording my voice? This is where AI steps in. Copy the topic or headline you found and paste it into ChatGPT with a prompt like, write me a short 60-second video script explaining what topic is and why people are searching for it. ChatGPT will instantly give you a conversational, ready-to-use script. From there, you can take that text and feed it into a free AI voice generator like ElevenLabs, TTS Maker, or even CapCut's built-in voiceover tool. For visuals, open Pexels or Pixabay and grab high-quality stock clips that match the topic. If it's about productivity, use footage of people typing or journaling. If it's about AI tools, use clean abstract motion backgrounds or screen recordings of websites. Combine everything in CapCut or Canva Video, which are both free. Add your AI voiceover, use auto captions, and include an engaging title on screen like, "This AI resume trick is going viral right now." The result looks professional, it's faceless, and it's ready to post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. You're basically becoming a trend translator. Instead of chasing random ideas, you're taking data from Google Trends, proof that people are already searching, and turning that into fast, snackable content that gets views while the competition is still waking up. The cool part is you can monetize this in multiple ways. On TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you can get paid through creator funds or brand deals once you grow. Or you can attach affiliate links to whatever the trend is about. For instance, if your trending topic is Best AI Resume Builder, you can grab an affiliate link from tools like Teal, KickResume, or Canva Pro and add it in your bio. Each time someone clicks through and subscribes, you earn a commission, even while you sleep. To give you a real example, a creator on TikTok started posting simple screen recordings explaining new AI tools the week ChatGPT went viral. They never showed their face, used only text and AI voiceovers, and within months, their account passed 100,000 followers. Now they make money from YouTube Shorts monetization and affiliate links to AI apps. That same opportunity exists every single day on Google Trends. The only difference is whether you catch it early. The best part? This costs nothing but your time. You don't need products, followers, or experience. All you need is curiosity and consistency. Spend 15 minutes every morning checking Google Trends, pick one topic that's heating up, and turn it into a 1-minute faceless video using ChatGPT, an AI voice, and free footage. Do that for a week straight, and you'll have 7 pieces of content riding current trends while most creators are still guessing what to post. Here's your challenge. After this video, go to Google Trends and find one topic that's starting to spike. It could be anything, an app, a habit, a product, or a lifestyle shift. Ask ChatGPT to write a short script about it, grab visuals from Pexels, and publish your first faceless trend video today. Don't worry about perfection. Your first one just proves to yourself that you can do it. Once you realize how quickly these small videos can grow, you'll see that you don't need to be an influencer to make money online. You just need to be early, consistent, and a little bit smarter with your tools. Now go turn today's trends into tomorrow's income. And I'll see you in the next video with another faceless way to build your online freedom.